Just like Tesla revolutionized the auto industry by bringing electric cars to an affordable market, they're doing the exact same thing with the Tesla Solar Roof. It's an honor to be recognized by Tesla and be authorized to install the system, and it somewhat validates all of the hard work that we've put into building Kelly Roofing into the family of experts that it is today.
Kelly Roofing absolutely wanted to jump on board with Tesla's mission to help accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy.
I had a friend of mine, building contractor, he said you should look into Teslas.
The process we would take to upgrade your roof would start with an energy analysis using some electric bills. We would then do a takeoff of the roof itself to generate a price to make sure that the layout of the system harnesses the right amount of the sun's energy.
Every roof is specifically measured and specifically laid out to fit on that roof.
A nice accessory to the Tesla Solar Roof is their power walls.
You can generate electricity during the day, you can store that by recharging the batteries, and then at night, the usage is purely being pulled from the batteries. One of the best advantages of the Tesla Solar Roof that most people don't even talk about is its warranty. 25-year labor and material is unheard of in the roofing industry.
The 25-year guarantee was big for us.
It is a real roof with superior protection and superior warranty. Other roofs start costing you money in maintenance and depreciation. A Tesla roof costs nothing all the way through year 25. We've heard from customers how it's immediately increasing the resale value because it is a gorgeous roof.
We're very excited about the design and the way it looks. It looks beautiful.
That's the fun part, is the design of it and the changing and seeing this evolve into what we know is going to absolutely disrupt the roofing industry.
And we've had a lot of neighbors stop and ask what it is.
I've never had a contractor that started a job and stayed on it from day one, and they have. I'm very impressed with that. And I was around construction in about 20 years and never ran into that before.
I have not experienced a construction company that have been as attentive to cleanup, keeping things neat, friendly. I think they've been amazing. I would recommend Kelly Roofing and the Tesla Solar Tile system.
They would not be taking a chance if they got Kelly Roofing to do a job. I've been very happy with them.
To get started, visit kellyroofing.com.